Hey guys, back with another video, short video today to show you how to install just a regular wall receptacle and whatever is involved in doing that. What I did was, of course I'm from Trinidad. We have a color code here, conductors 2.5, which is used for plug receptacles. It's usually colored blue for neutral and brown for hot, and the ground is solid copper. We use sleeving, yellow and green sleeving, to apply to the ground wire and sleeve it. It's never exposed. I know in some jurisdictions in Ontario, some states in the US, the copper wire is exposed, but we don't leave them exposed here. We sleeve them with this. So what I'm going to do is it's a simple application. This is actually designed for gypsum walls, for drywall. It's trunking, 1-inch trunking that goes up. It's a surface mounted box. So I already installed that in the wall, and I already fished the wire through it. Actually the lid comes off, but I already installed it, so it actually peels off, and you can lay whatever wires, conductors you have inside and seal it back on. So it's already sealed. So I went ahead already. We use two main neutral and hot wires here. Neutral is always gray. The two poles are black and brown. All right. So this whole circuit, consisting of 5 plugs, is going to be black. So all of them is going to read black on each end. So I already taped that too. This is the coloring here, as I said. So the brown stays brown when it's a brown phase. The blue changes to neutral, to gray every time, and this same brown changes to black. We put black electrical tape on it when it's a black phase. So you have black phase and brown phase. So I'm just gonna connect this. It's a quick thing, and you're gonna see how it's done. I've already stripped the wire with a little stripper that I have. What I'm going to do is, not usually, but the plug receptacles are color coded as well. The copper end is for the hot phase, the hot wire, and the silver screws terminals are for the neutral wire, and of course the green is for the ground. All right. So what I do, there's different ways to do this application. I start with the neutral. I put it right. There's a little nudge right there. You see a little nudge right there? You cut about 1 inch or so of the insulation off. You put it right in the nudge like that, and you curl it around. Just a nice little curl, and gives you a pigtail. All right. Once that pigtail is there, of course, you tighten it up nice and firm. Don't over tighten it, just nice and firm. All right. The hot wire now goes to the colored or the brass colored terminals. Doesn't matter which one, because they are bridged right here with this little clip here. So it doesn't matter which one. Right. Do the same thing. You put it on the nudge right there, and you curl all the way around. Right, curl all the way around. And once it's curled, it's hooked there. You tighten it up. Now, so neutral, hot. This one now, measure the sleeving that you need. You cut off piece, and you sleeve it like this. Remember, the ground is always sleeved. It's never, because what happens if it moves in the box and it's not sleeved, it can touch the terminals and cause short circuiting and destroy appliances and whatever. So you always want to sleeve it as much as possible. Same thing applies. You put it on the nudge, and or you can just curl it by hand. It's called a pigtail, and you hook it around here. Same thing. Just tighten it up. Nice girl, and there you go. So tuck the wires in the box like this. Make sure they're tucked in well, and the neutral is always to the bottom, the hot is always to the top. And you screw them into the box. I actually left my cordless drill, which I used to do this with, in my car, and I didn't want to go get it, so I'm doing it the old-fashioned dependable way. Screwdriver, never have to charge it, it's always available. And there you go, the covers. Punch a little hole, pop it out. But I actually have, these are the wrong colors I have. It's white, this is ivory. Slap it on there, and where's the little screw? There's a little screw that goes right in here. Get a flat screwdriver, and voila, there you go. Remember, before you do any electrical installations or repairs, any kind of work, you want to turn off the power at your main supply, your breaker. Get a tester, make sure that there's no current, no electricity flowing, so that you work safely. All right, see you in the next video. Subscribe, like, turn on your notification. Boom.